Have you noticed that using AI today often means juggling multiple subscriptions? One for writing, another for coding, another for research, and maybe another for image generation. That can get expensive fast. So the big question is, can one dashboard really bring together multiple leading AI models at a one-time price, and is it actually worth considering? In this review, we'll take a closer look at best AI models, what it promises, who it's designed for, and whether it deserves a spot in your workflow. Best AI Models is positioned as a centralized AI workspace that aims to give users access to multiple popular AI models through a single interface. Instead of switching between different platforms, the idea is to manage everything from one dashboard. According to the official product information, the platform includes access to a wide range of AI models from providers like Claude, GPT, Gemini, DeepSeek, Kimi, GLM, and Grok, while also promoting future model additions as part of the platform. The main appeal isn't necessarily replacing how AI works. It's simplifying how you access different models depending on the task you're working on. If you've ever wondered which AI performs better for writing, research, coding, or brainstorming, this type of multi-model approach is what makes the product stand out. Key features. One of the biggest highlights is the ability to switch between multiple AI models from a single workspace. Different AI models often have different strengths, so having them available in one place could save time compared to managing several separate accounts. Another useful feature is the built-in prompt library. Rather than starting every project from scratch, users get ready-made prompts for common tasks like marketing copy, emails, sales content, scripts, and business-related writing. The platform also includes a comparison-style workflow where users can move between supported AI models to find a response that best fits their needs. For creators and marketers, that flexibility could be valuable when quality matters. According to the sales page, the platform is also designed with a beginner-friendly interface, aiming to make multi-model AI accessible without a complicated setup process. Finally, commercial usage is included with the front-end offer, making it possible to use the generated content for client work or freelance projects where appropriate. Who it's for. Best AI Model seems best suited for content creators, affiliate marketers, freelancers, agencies, consultants, and small business owners who regularly rely on AI to create content or speed up daily work. It may also appeal to people who like comparing responses from different AI models before deciding which output to use. On the other hand, if you only use AI occasionally or you're already satisfied with a single subscription that meets all your needs, this platform may offer more than you'll actually use. Pricing and OTO overview. The front-end version is currently listed at $14.95 as a one-time purchase. For those looking for additional functionality, the upgrade path includes Unlimited, Best AI Video Models, Best AI Voice Models, Best Visual Creator AI Models, DFY, AI Profit Machine, Agency, Franchise, White Label. Which upgrades make sense will depend entirely on how you plan to use the platform. Pros and cons. One of the strongest advantages is convenience. Having multiple AI models available through one dashboard could simplify workflows for users who frequently switch between platforms. The inclusion of commercial rights also adds value for freelancers and agencies looking to create client content. The interface shown in the official materials also appears straightforward, making it accessible even for users who aren't particularly technical. That said, there are a few things to keep in mind. The platform makes several ambitious claims about model access and future updates, so it's worth reviewing the official documentation and demo carefully to understand exactly how those features are delivered. Also, if your work revolves around only one AI platform, the broader multi-model approach may not provide enough additional value to justify changing your workflow. Who should skip this? If you're only using AI occasionally for simple questions or basic writing, you probably won't take full advantage of everything this platform offers. It's also worth skipping if you're happy with your current AI subscription and don't see a need to compare outputs across multiple models. However, if your business depends on AI every day, the centralized approach could be much more relevant. Final verdict. Best AI Models is clearly aimed at users who want the flexibility of working with multiple AI models without constantly jumping between different platforms. The biggest selling point isn't just the number of models listed. It's the idea of managing them from one interface while having tools like prompt templates, commercial usage, and workflow convenience built into the experience. As with any software purchase, it's a good idea to review the official demo, compare the available features with your own workflow, and decide whether the multi-model approach aligns with how you actually use AI. For creators, marketers, agencies, and freelancers who work with AI regularly, this is certainly one worth exploring. If Best AI Models sounds like something that could fit your workflow, I've left more information in the description below where you can check out the official page, explore the available features, and decide if it's the right choice for you.